The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a extreme wind warning for northern Georgetown County in northeast South Carolina, Horry County in northeast South Carolina, eastern Marion County in northeast South Carolina, eastern Dillon County in northeast South Carolina, west central Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, southeastern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, southern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina. Until 1 p.m. At 10:30 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Imelda were moving onshore along a line extending from Myrtle Beach to Carolina shores, moving north at 30 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9:00 p.m. EDT for eastern North Carolina and northeastern South Carolina.